Hello everyone, this is Ran from the Winchester Public Library. We're logged into Zoom right now on a computer, and I'm going to show you the basics of how you use it on a desktop or a MacBook. So when you open the link to a Zoom meeting, or you click on the Zoom program on your computer and enter the meeting number, you're going to log into a page like this. And I just want to show you where the icons are located on a computer screen. So in the Zoom program, you have the mute and unmute button, the stop and start video button, the manage participants. In your case, it will be just participants if you are not hosting the meeting, the chat button, the share screen, and the reactions button. And the last one to know about is end meeting, and then we'll talk about views right up here. All right, so let's start with mute and unmute. Right now, I have a line through this microphone, red line through the microphone, which means that I am muted. If I wanted to be heard in the meeting, I would click this. Now I'm unmuted, and everyone in the meeting would be able to hear me. I'm going to mute that again. If I wanted to start my video, I would tap this. The video right now has a line through it, and it means that there's no video running, and I just have a black screen where my name is. It's the box highlighted in green. But I'm going to untap that, and now, hello everyone, here's my video. This is me talking to you right now. My video camera is a little grainy, it's a little old, so I apologize for that. So that's the start and stop for video. Then you can manage participants, and you can do a chat. So if I wanted to do a chat, what pops up is this little chat screen, and I'm dragging it over to the corner, and I could send a message to everyone in the chat. Hello. Or I could send a message just to the two other people who are in this chat with me, and I'm going to show you them at the end of the meeting. But I could send a message directly to them. It says privately next to it. And then the other buttons that we have here are manage participants, so we can see that there are two other people in this meeting with me, and you would also be able to see that if you hover over your own name, you should have the option to rename yourself. You can also do it up here where these three little dots are. You can rename yourself right there. So two different ways to do the same action. And then there are some reactions. So if you're in a meeting where you are muted but you're asked to respond to a vote, there's a clap sign and there's a thumbs up sign, and that goes right next to your picture. So if you're in the meeting, you would be able to see that. It hangs around for a few seconds before it eventually disappears. And the last button here is share screen. Now if you're in a meeting that allows you to do that, basically you could share what was on your screen. So if I tap on this and I want to share another icon on my another program on my desktop, now everyone will be seeing what I am sharing with them, which is the Screencast-O-Matic web page. So I'm going to stop that, and I just click the stop button at the top in order to close out of sharing a screen. I think those are pretty much all the buttons that you might need to know about. The other one is we can change from speaker view. Right now we're in gallery view, but there are no other views in this meeting at the moment. And if I changed from gallery view to speaker view, it would just be the person who's speaking right now. And apparently Winnie is muted at the moment, but Winnie is making a lot of noise in the background. So I just changed it back to gallery view, and if I had two other people who were showing their screens, we would see 3 screens. We can see up to about 12 screens the way that I have it set up at the moment. And sometimes you have more people and you'll have extra screens to kind of slide through either on this side or on this side, and there'll be a little indicator at the bottom that says more participants. So the last part of this meeting that you should know about is if you want to leave a meeting, it is this red button down here at the bottom, and you click that to leave. And with no further ado, I'm going to welcome my guests to this meeting. Hi, puppies. Hi, Winnie. Hi, Maya. Thank you for joining me today on Zoom. What cuties.